The Южно-Курильский fish processing plant is the fastest growing company in the Far East. The plant performs harvesting and primary processing of aquatic bioresources in the Sea of Okhotsk and the Pacific Ocean. The enterprise's own transport and freight fleet allows to transport the market-ready product to the Asia-Pacific region. During the 15 years of work on the international market, we have gained the reputation of a reliable partner and signed many contracts with the largest companies of Korea, Japan, and China. The Южно-Курильский fish processing plant produces about 50,000 tons of raw fish, squid, sea urchin, scallops, and other seafood per year, and 40% of this volume is exported. Due to the expansion of the fishing fleet, the plant will increase these indexes by half in the near future. The main priority is given to harvesting Far Eastern sardine and mackerel with target volumes of 15 and 15,000 tons per year, respectively. In Kanu, which includes pollock, flounder, cod, saffron cod, halibut, and smelt, has target harvesting volume amounts to about 20,000 tons. In the summer, the priority activity is harvesting salmon fishes such as Siberian salmon and humpback salmon. The factory is equipped with special coastal fishing stations and has a designated small fleet for quick fish delivery to the factory. The average annual harvesting volume of Siberian salmon is about 2,000 tons. The plant assigns its significant capacities to fishing of invertebrates, such as squid and scallops, which are popular on the foreign market. One of the priority areas of activity is fishing of gray sea urchin and its subsequent delivery in live condition on the Japanese market. This kind of fishing and transport involves 5 specialized vessels. The plant supplies approximately 1,500 tons of the product to the Asian market during the season. In addition to the coastal operating capacities, the plant has certified vessels equipped for onboard processing of raw materials that allows to produce and store up to 140 tons of product per day. The fish factories of our vessels have been recently re-equipped with new vertical freezers, automatic packaging, and labeling systems. Modern coastal processing complex on the island of Kunashir allows receiving and processing of up to 200 tons of raw fish per day. The company also owns a wharf complex equipped for the mooring of vessels with a draft of up to 7 meters, a refrigerator with a capacity of 1,200 tons, and the full necessary infrastructure for receiving, processing finished product output and its loading on carry-away boats. The technological equipment of the complex consists of Ba-Adar pollock automatic processing machines. Salmon processing is performed on modern equipment of Nikko Japanese complex, which allows to produce high-quality products. It includes cleaned fish, namely Siberian salmon, humpback salmon, Alaska pollock, cod and bank cod, and ungutted fish, namely Navaga, halibut of the block, and the piece freezing, flounder, mackerel, and Far Eastern sardines. There is also a designated plant capacity for the processing and storage of invertebrates such as squid and scallops. In the summer, the plant's caviar department performs the processing of such salmon fishes such as Siberian salmon and humpback salmon. The process involves the most modern equipment for the production of salted barrel caviar and frozen sakate roe. In the winter, the plant is used for Alaska pollock caviar processing. The company now is working on a task of how to rapidly increase catches and to process them, preserving the quality of fish and utilizing the waste. The project comprises of building a fish pumping system in port, along with a fish meal processing factory and new workshops to process these water biological resources. The fish pumping pipe to offload fish from the vessels and pump it into storage tanks is the first to be built. It will have a capacity to convey into the factories up to 200 tons of fish per hour without damaging them. Simultaneous construction of a new fish meal factory will be launched with fish oil extraction facility. The design is based on European modern technological solutions developed in Norway, Denmark, Germany, and Iceland. They will allow to produce fish meal and few sorts of fish oil, including fish oil for human consumption. The factory is planned to start operation in the end of 2017, beginning of 2018. The Южно-Курильский fish processing plant. Let us create the future together.